Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good evening. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, you can find this in Google Play Store and Apple Store for those who have Android cell phone or Android mobile. By the way, my topic is about the, you will see the title, this is to address all paranormal investigators, not only one, but all over Philippines. For those who are planning to go in Balete Drive, located at New Manila, Quezon City, my advice is plan it first before you go on the evening with companions. Kasi napansin ko yung mga past few paranormal investigators na nakita ko na yung actual na parang nanginginig, lumalabas ang balahibo kasi hindi na plano. Ang purpose ko itong video na ito is by 2025, kailangan planuhin nila mabuti or anong equipment ang gagamitin. Ibig sabihin, paranormal facilities, equipment, ano yung gadgets na gagamitin para doon. So, ang point ko dito is kailangan plan first before you go there with companions. Then kung just in case sasakyan, no, kailangan meron kasama, hindi pwede isa, at hindi daw, ang sabi nila, hindi daw lilingon sa likod. Kaya yun ang ko sa inyo, advisory. So, that's it. Ang main point ko dito is plan it before they go actual. So far sa mga past few paranormal investigators na naka-experience, I'm not so sure kung kakailanganin ba ng spirit box or spiritual box. So yun ang kuwan ko, yun ang suggestion ko kung pwede, or may gagamitin pa sila yung parang app, meron daw mobile app daw ginagamit. Nahirapan daw sila trace. Tapos ang details daw, may isang sikat na architect daw dati, ang pangalan Fausto Verano. So yun. Tapos ang White Lady, maraming versions. Meron daw pugot ulo, meron daw dugo ang muka. So it's hard to prove at hindi pa nasosolve until now. Kasi kung may isang paranormal investigator nagsosolve, may mag-a-upload ng video yung successful talaga, kasi it takes time. Nakita ko na lahat, pati yung mga news reporter nga hirap na hirap eh. So ang point ko dito is planuhin nila mabuti bago sila pumunta, kasi kung hindi nila paplanuhin, disorganize lahat. So yun lang ang aking recommendation for the year 2025. I hope that this video will catch up attention, and pwede nyo ulit-ulitin itong videos na ito because this video has a meaning. It has a meaning and there is a purpose. And I mentioned 2025 kasi mga past few years, pagpunta actual, hindi na plano. So it turns out na disorganized konti. Yung iba na plan pero hindi natapos. So, for sure, may isang paranormal investigator mag-a-upload sa YouTube. Okay? So, thank you so much for listening to this video. Good evening.